Þekki trefilinn, Kristjanía. Þú þekkir bílinn minn, litla kían. Þekki stílinn minn, beint úr Kringlan. Þekki dílinn minn, viltu fá lán? Langar svo að meika það. Mér langar svo að.
So I just arrived in Iceland, and there was a nice little surprise that my bags were actually not on the flight. They are still in Paris. The reason is because my flight from Basel to Paris was 1 hour late, and I hardly made it on the next flight from Paris to Iceland, but obviously not my bags. So we are going to see how I can squeeze in my tight schedule with 1 day lost, because I basically have to come back to the airport tomorrow at the same time and pick up the bags, and then we see how it goes from there. I was told this is the youngest part of Iceland, and it really looks very volcanic and barren. In the background you can already see the hot springs. I've seen a parking space and several cars stopping there, so I thought I'd stop there as well. I have no idea what's going on here, so let's check out this attraction. Okay, it's a bit underwhelming, but it seems to be like there is a bridge across the continents. You see here behind me? To the Eurasian plate now. Okay, I'm in Eurasia. Another parking space, so let's go and check it out. It looks like there is a bit of a hike to that little top there, so I have no idea what will await us there. Let's have a look. Okay, I'm almost there. I have to say there's a really funny smell in the air. Okay, what's that? Okay, maybe some old crater that's no longer active. Let's have a look. Just pure endless lava landscape. Nothing really growing here at all. The weather changed to be a bit shitty, I have to say. Was better before. Now it started to rain, but yeah, they actually told me here that this is one of the worst summers they had in years, which actually is not a big change from where I live myself in Basel. We also didn't have a very good summer this year, so no problem for me. Oh look, there's a little bit of green.
Trefilinn, Kristjanía. Þú þekkir bílinn minn, litla kían. Þekki stílinn minn, beint úr Kringlan. Þekki dílinn minn, viltu fá lán? Langar svo að meika það.
First restaurant here in Iceland, I was told to eat fish. So let's see what I actually got in the end. Fish and chips and an Icelandic beer.